Hi peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I have a finish for you of my Dragonflies and Petals canvas from Spell Queen. So, she's a big one. So let's see if I can move you out a little bit. There we go. So you can see her in all of her sparkly, sparkly glory. So she is a 45 by 60 in square, and yeah, I'm very pleased with how it came out. The drills were very nice. There was a reasonable amount of confetti, which is not my favourite, but it was manageable, so that's fine. All in all, very pleased, and yeah, just really happy to be able to share this with you now that it's finished. I'll bring you down for a little closer look so you can see there's really no gapping at all with the drills. Everything is lovely. This canvas is just the square drill version. They do a version that's also available in round and round with ABs. So I would be interested to know where they would sprinkle the ABs throughout actually, because I think that would be really interesting to find out. But yeah, so very nice indeed, and the perfect canvas for this month's event. Let me just zoom you back out a little bit. There we go. So she's all finished. Let's just have a quick look at what remains. There was nothing that I completely ran out of. Everything was fine. Obviously there are some beautiful colours in this. It's like a sweet shop, honestly. All of the colours are just stunning, and as you can see, plenty of oh, that one is there. Plenty of everything left. So particularly the background colour, loads. In terms of the trash, I'll just tip this in here so you can see. That is it. There was some misshapen drills, some with a bit of flashing around the edge, some that were just a bit blobby. But considering the size of the canvas and the number of different colours, I was amazed at how little trash there was. Really, really good. Also, in this canvas, no 310. So maybe that makes a difference, who knows. So those will be going into here now, my little trash pot of everything. So what else can we say about this? I've just put washi around the edge at the moment, just to finish it off. I'm not sure what's going to happen to it now. I would love to know what everybody else has been working on for their May project, and also do let me know what you've got planned for June. June was going to be a quiet month for me. I thought I'm not going to do anything, and then I've now committed myself to doing another 2 events. So I will talk more about that in my next video, when I will give you all of the details, particularly because one of the events is a sponsored event raising money for a charity that helps people with mental health issues. So it's definitely close to my heart. So, as always, please do go and support Pam and the other event organisers. Check out their channels, follow the other creators. If you enjoy my content, please do consider leaving a like or share this video with a friend. Why not subscribe? Become a member of the Crafty Coven. And I will see you in the next video. Stay crafty.